Hello and welcome back to our reaction channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, let me officially welcome you. Over here, we react to funny comedy skits from TikTok. Basically, all we do here is just laugh and have a good time. So, thank you for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed, we are on our way to 500 subscribers. We're currently at 450. So, why not join the family, subscribe, and yeah, let's keep growing together, man. I don't want to waste none of your time. We're going to check out this TikTok compilation video and see if we can get a good laugh on this one. Let's get straight into the video.
I'm not green. I can't be choosing everybody. Now come be choosing me. Me will get ball. I agree to bros. Let me touch that guy. So
OG, calm down.
Recognize that guy already there, boss. I agree to you, bros. Touch down the mate. Let me touch down the
I greet you, bros.
My own ball. You don't even choose them. You go able to choose this BF before me for ball.
OG, leave that
BF.
Leave one. I go choose you.
You choose me.
Yes, now.
You put me for the BF side.
Yes, correct guy. 100.
No,
give me ball now. Give me ball. Yes.
Where could I come?
Now my guy. Leave one. Give me ball.
Sit.
OG.
I feel like playing ball at home. I want to go play ball for us.
Now how's the play ball?
I want to go play for us. No.
With your coat. Now coat that the play ball. Give me that ball. I said
leave the C for me.
I said give me that ball.
I'll run. I'll move.
If you crocodile,
I'll move.
I cannot believe my eyes.
Babe, is it because I'm just waking up? I cannot see our TV.
Sounds like shit. Somewhere in
Oh shit, not good.
There's no TV. Babe, where's my TV?
Babe, don't you know Luke?
Look, now look, take my TV.
No, now, see, Luke chapter 6 verse 38. It says, give, and it shall be given unto you.
Oh.
Yes, so I donated it to the house fellowship.
You donate 500 TV to fellowship. So what would then I be watching?
Hell
Babe, we are
no.
Christians. We can be seeing visions.
I don't die.
You don't want?
Share vision they show in there for you. Obi Mumu.
Babe,
Go and get the
don't you
TV.
remember Matthew?
I swear to God Almighty, God will punish Matthew. Move it. Let's go to fellowship. I will bite you. Move it. Move it. My TV. Give waiting.
Young man, who are you?
I'm the new usher, sir.
Okay. I ban the cast demon in you!
What be this? What be this?
Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. Don't tell.
I told you, I'ma fuck you up.
I'm the one that's gonna fuck you up.
You break my TV. I won't leave his body. Now even London them on.
See the way I'm 500k for my TV.
Hey, yo.
It's not me, it's the demon.
Oh, so now demon go buy my TV.
Exactly. Pastor, which demon possesses this bastard?
Demon of anger.
Demon of anger.
Where did you say they go? You break my TV.
See, if you don't leave me now, I will possess you.
You won't possess me. See this baby demon. If I slap you now, you don't even be demon.
Boss, I beg, no verse. Now, last night I joined him on, I beg.
You just join demon, you don't break my TV.
No.
Come here. Cash or transfer.
Shanky mark by me now.
Oh, there.
Yo, that shank is funny, bro. I have seen that one before. That's why I didn't laugh, but shank is funny, bro.
Topless. Chief, how far now? Where's us up? Where's on Chief? That your money back? Yes. 500k. Yes. That's the laugh. Oh God, man. I get on. Come on, like I forget on for us. Now for me you follow me, but if I say they do something. Nah, Ray, just spoil that place for my house. I want your stuff. I see. I say they busy. How far? I see your babe. Tell your babe make she follow me now. I think for evening. Not be 500k. I dey busy now. I dey travel tomorrow morning. Even this night, sef, I dey come out. Okay. Babe, come follow Chief. Go collect the money for us.
Suspicious. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Like this. Put on something more appropriate now, I beg. Yeah, go change. God go bless you. If you give me that 500k, I go use and do that.
500k to build house. You are dreaming.
What's happen now?
Where you go?
Who go collect the money?
Why you dress like this?
What's done?
Why you wear shoe? Why you carry bag?
Let's have it.
How do I go put the money? Put the money inside now.
Where she wear dey okay now?
Yes,
Makes sense. No, for this self, I go add 200k to your 500k.
Jesus.
Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, go meet you.
How far now talk less?
My guy outside now.
What's happened?
You don't be believe who? Since yesterday, I never see my girlfriend.
Jesus.
Girlfriend.
Ajay.
What's happened? Plan fight.
I say make you follow she go and go collect money. I don't see chief. I don't see her. Their number I know they go like this.
Oh, 1 week.
Talk less. Yes, sir. Your wife, she still asleep. No, now the money I go collect. Okay. The money, yeah. Come on, but dollars they this pocket. Ajay, I go change them. Oh yeah, have it. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Hey, sir. Let me give her this bag. Oh, a bag. Then I say forget that from my side.
Smart. Nah, that's smart. That's a real man move right there. A real man move. Go steady. How will you live a week? You are still sleeping. My guy, give her the bag. We should just go. Bye. What are you,
my bro?
doing?
My guy. I bet me transfer 2K. My bank get network issues.
Alright. Make a transfer 2K for bank we get network issues.
Exactly.
How you want to spend them?
Oh yeah, you don't catch me.
Oh, see, this is not a jab at Indian, but I see their street food on TikTok, bro. If you see their street food on TikTok, I don't want to use the word disgusting, but yeah, this is almost how it is. This is like almost how it is. I saw one time a guy who's had his arm amputated, right? So he would take the whatever thing, he would scrub it under his underarm and put it in the frying pan. And I'm like, people will still eat this one. I nearly threw up. Yeah, I don't know how they eat something like that, bro. It's mad. It's crazy.
3.5.
I hate to bros.
You said that 3.5 million you take buy this car.
Let me touch that guy so. No, you know no start to greet you. Yes, that one bag or not. I greet you, bros.
OG, what did they? How you go tell me say use 3.5
Not just
million buy
BT,
this
just
car
sneeze now.
Which one
This guy
be
just
BT
need a-
again now?
Normal brief touches now. In and out.
In and out, that be brief touch.
You don't really need not just
Wait, ma, wetin be this motor name?
actually the whip.
The waiting.
Actually the whip.
God, they'll whip you just now.
He never really reach like this now. Why they want? Why they? You know, see you see what? What I do make?
Alpha crocodile.
What do you want to do? I go move. I'll meow.
I say, Oda man.
Why is he always like, bruh?
I'm not doing it again. Is it my fault? I gave you one chance. I forgive you. I'm trying to explain. Bro, you said calm down now. This guy be trying to beg you, sister. Forgive her now. Also, now I to beg person. I know like the person they waste time. Tell her make it go. Like, calm down. They carry arrange relationship. They scatter them. What's the problem now? What do you know about relationships? On matters of the heart. What do you know about relationship? See, this guy is insulting me. What do you mean by that? This guy cooks for us morning, afternoon, night, daily, bro. What do you mean by that? Now food is not a culture. Yes. More to love than food. She's going. And so everybody goes to church. I feel like that. So you are. Silence my court. My Lord, I believe I have given enough evidence with excess proof of facts, quality and persuasive.
Oh wait, this is actually very creative. This is this is very creative. Let's go. I'm now fully invested into this video. This particular video, I'm very much invested now. Let's see.
Given enough evidence with excess proof of facts, quality and persuasive enough to discharge her. My Lord, my prosecution here is very wrong. My defendant here has apologized. My Lord, do you know what it means for a Jersey body to apologize? We all, as a court, should forgive and forget. Forgive? Yes, my Lord. According to my record, it states here that you called her exactly 7 a.m. Okay. And she proceeded to reply by 7:02. Just show my Lord, it's just 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Yes. My Lord, 7:02 p.m. 12 hours, 2 minutes. My Lord, a lot can happen in 12 hours. Yes! My lord, a lot can happen in 12 hours. Wait a minute. My lord, but she's our wife. Okay. My lord, do you know the meaning of that title, our wife? Oh. This lady here has gone above and beyond to act as a wife. We all as a call. I don't want. Sir, according to my records, it is proven here that she has stolen over 500 polos and 15 goodies.
You are a criminal.
My lord, I beg the court to see beyond the obvious. This lady here has something impeccable. Okay. My lord, she has nyash. Oh. My lord, you and I know the meaning of nyash.
You are a prostitute.
She does.
What nyash has done for us, you know. Okay. My lord, evidence reaching me now that she's hiding a secret, not just from you, but from this honorable court. My lord, she has a male bestie.
This true?
That's the worst one.
So you mean you took a stand? You took an oath. You swore to tell the truth, but nothing but the truth. And you lied to me. I hereby sentence you to immediate breakfast, no possibility for lunch or dinner.
Bestie, nah, we don't do bestie over here. Nah, we don't do besties over here, bro.
I'm going to go now. This on. Ow.
He's trying to not believe it.
Hey!
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah, do wine. Run.
Go.
Oh my fucking days, bro. That's funny. Oh, that's funny.
Thank you,
Shit.
Jesus. First time I go carry better again. Thank you, Jesus.
Who plays?
You're so nice.
Yeah, I get that a lot. Yeah. So you're going to this front, are you?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Thank
Let me
you.
play music. What's your favorite song?
Oh, Jogodo.
What?
Me, I want Jogodo.
No, I say, what's your favorite song?
Yes, now, Jogodo. You don't know the song?
I know Jogodo.
Let me sing it for you.
Mama.
This is the one to Jogodo.
What's your favorite song?
Yes, now.
Wow, that's cool. So can I know more of you? What's your favorite food?
Beans and bread and honorable.
Jesus. Your favorite food is beans and bread and all over.
Yes.
What's your hobby?
I like to watch Masquerade.
Good on.
Wait, what did she say? Her hobby was she likes to watch masquerades. I'm not sure if I heard that correctly.
I like to watch Masquerade.
Good on.
Masquerade? Am I the only one not getting this? She likes to watch masquerade. If she said something else and you know what she said, could you please put it in the comment section? Let me know what she said, as I'm hearing.
Yes.
What's your hobby?
I like to watch Masquerade.
Good on.
Masquerade.
Good on.
You not carry.
No, don't worry. Good on.
What's your problem?
Now toast, I want toast you, but now you bless say you go. You be senior man and I be senior man.
You know you're very, very stupid.
I know. So if I carry what you want to discuss, first way like your hobby is to go and watch Masquerade. Your favorite food is bread and beans and rubber. What you want to discuss against senior man? Everywhere good. We're supposed to talk about updates. Do you know about 1xbet?
No one is bad. They bet now.
Oh, you like to bet?
Yeah.
Emma Kukuma give you update. 1xbet they give 1000% bonus on your winnings and 300% bonus on your first deposit if you use the promo code JOTAS. Are you aware? Now update I just give you now. Ayana bros. Everywhere good now. Ayana. Collect us. Everywhere good now. Ayana. Senior man. Everywhere good now. Let us help us wanna go to CJ.
Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. Oh, my battery is running low as well. Nah, that's jokes. That is jokes. That is mad. That is crazy. That's beyond me, man. Damn. Oh my days. Um, well, I hope y'all enjoyed that one, man. That's what we do over here. We laugh and forget the sorrows. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. I hope I'll see you on the other one as well. We post videos every day, so make sure you come back and check up our new videos. And let's get to 500 subscribers. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. We have 450. Join the family and let's get lit. We out of here, man. See you guys next time. Bye bye.